70 to 75 lakh rupees cash. Jewelry worth nearly rupees 1 crore. Now this is what was found in the house of Nupur Bora, an Assam Civil Services officer. Other than that, rupees 10 lakh cash was also reportedly recovered from her rented residence. Now you must be thinking, who is Nupur Bora and why are we talking about her? But first, watch what Assam's Chief Minister has said about her.
এই বিষয়াগৰাকীয়ে আমাৰ হিন্দুৰ মাটি সন্দেহযুক্ত মানুহলৈকে ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰাৰ কাৰণে তেওঁক আমি স্ক্ৰিনিঙত ৰাখি থৈছিলোঁ। ছমাহৰ পৰাই তেওঁৰ গতিবিধি আমি চাই আছিলোঁ। বৰপেটাত ৰাজচক্ৰ বিষয়া হৈ থাকোঁতে
Yes, you heard it right. Nupur is accused of transferring the land of Hindus to suspicious individuals. These are not our words. These are allegations made by Himanta Biswa Sarma. Remember, the state's chief minister has been working on a war footing to remove the encroachers from forest land of the state. So was this woman officer becoming a roadblock in Himanta's anti-encroachment mission?
1 কোটি টকা নগদ টকা আৰু সোণৰ গহনা। নগদ টকা প্ৰায় 70-75 লাখ টকা, সোণৰ গহনাও যথেষ্ট আমি পাইছোঁ। আৰু এই বিষয়াগৰাকীয়ে বৰপেটা মাটিৰ বহুত গণ্ডগোল কৰাৰ কাৰণে আজি আমি 6 মাহৰ পৰা তেওঁৰ ওপৰত আমি গোপনে ইনকুৱাৰী কৰি আছিলোঁ।
Now this Assam Civil Service officer is in the eye of the storm. Raids against her were conducted by Chief Minister's Special Vigilance Cell. Some reports suggest that she had earned 400 times more than her actual income. Nupur Bora was under scrutiny for a long time. Even CM said that a discreet inquiry was being conducted against her for the last 6 months. "35-year-old Nupur Bora is currently serving as Circle Officer of Godaimari in Assam's Kamrup district. On September 15, the Vigilance Cell officers arrested her. She joined the Assam Civil Service in 2019, a young, aspiring women civil service officer. But within just 6 years of her service, her career is tainted now. She started her administrative career as an assistant commissioner in Karbi Anglong. She held this position till June 2023. Later, she was posted to Barpeta. Now, several revenue circles of Barpeta are minority dominated. Recently, she was transferred to Kamrup. According to several reports, Nupur Bora worked as a lecturer at the District Institute of Education and Training. Reports suggest that she owns apartments in Guwahati's Gotanagar. As Bora's case came to light, CM Himanta Biswa Sarma flagged widespread corruption in the revenue circles of minority-dominated areas of the state.
অসমত সংখ্যালঘু অধ্যুষিত অঞ্চলসমূহৰ ৰেভিনিউ চাৰ্কুলত বহুত বেছি দুৰ্নীতি হৈ আছে।
Bulldozers are not the only weapon in Assam government's arsenal to combat this illegal infiltration. The state has taken several steps to fight this menace. In August, the Assam cabinet approved a new SOP. It mandated clearance from the police's special branch for all the inter-religion land transactions. This move was made citing demographic changes in the state. We have heard Himanta Biswa Sarma talking about this issue, but even Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted it during his recent visit to Assam. Here's what he said.
विकास के इन प्रयासों के बीच असम के सामने एक चुनौती विकराल होती जा रही। ये चुनौती है घुसपैठ की। जब यहां कांग्रेस की सरकार थी तो उसने घुसपैठियों को जमीनें दी, अवैध कब्जों को संरक्षण दिया। कांग्रेस ने वोट बैंक के लालच में असम के डेमोग्राफी का संतुलन बिगाड़ दिया।
Himanta's move to throw out the alleged encroachers have been questioned by many. Some even knocked on the court's door. But even from the court, the CM has received a green flag. In August, Guwahati High Court said there cannot be any question of permitting any encroacher to reside within the demarcated reserved forest land. The Chief Minister himself said that the court's order strengthened the Assam government's campaign against the illegal infiltration. With Team Himanta's action against Nupur, is the Assam government setting a precedent that whosoever tries to derail Himanta's mission of clearing the land will be dealt with sternly? In 2025, Himanta has been working on his throw the illegals agenda vigorously. Shocking scenes have emerged from several parts of the state.
Will give arm license to the eligible persons who are residing in remote area, vulnerable area and border area, and will encourage our original inhabitants and indigenous Indian citizen to apply and take arms license. We are going to evict people who are not covered under the Forest Rights Act. But this is a huge task, and at least 10 years will be required, because the level of encroachment is very, very high, beyond imagination.
From planning to arm the indigenous Assamese population to drawing a red line for the illegal immigrants, the Assam government has taken several steps. Many wonder, what is Himanta's long-term plan for the state? Is he eyeing the 2026 assembly elections?